How's it going, guys? Jeremy here with Cast Blast Grill Chill. I'm going to do a little recipe here for some duck chili. I'm here in the National Forest on a deer hunt. Flip the camera around here real quick in a second so you can see. I started by dicing a jalapeno, a yellow onion, and a bell pepper together. I'm going to saute that in a cast iron or steel pot. I didn't bring my cast iron. Once I get all that sauteed down, I'm going to go ahead and add some tomatoes and stuff like that, and saute that down a little bit. Diced tomatoes with green peppers like rotel, and then add my duck and then my chili seasoning. We'll scope it out here in a second and see how it goes. Alrighty, guys, there's my duck. I got it soaking in some water to kind of get some of the blood and stuff out of it. There's my peppers and onion. Go ahead and get this thing here lit. Alright, I got it lit now. I'm going to put my peppers on here. Let them start sauteing up. I'll show you again here once I start throwing everything else in. Alright, guys. So I got all the duck cut up. The rotel, the tomato sauce, the water, the Carol Shelby's chili kit. Got it all put in here, and now I got it simmering. Find me a light. There we go. You see, I got that going on a super low fire there, and we're gonna let it go for probably, I'd say about an hour or so. Let it get all nice, good and tender and chili tasting, and we'll have it tomorrow night for dinner. There'll be a recipe link down below.